Looking to upgrade your kitchen? The best blender for everything is here to simplify your cooking. From smoothies to soups, sauces to nut butters, this powerful appliance handles it all with ease and precision every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. nutribullet blender for everything. The nutribullet blender for everything is the perfect starting point for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing convenience. This blender is designed to make nutrition effortless, turning fruits, vegetables, and liquids into smooth, nutrient-packed blends in seconds. With its 600-watt motor, it provides enough power to pulverize everything from soft berries to leafy greens, creating perfectly sippable smoothies every time. One of the standout features is its simplicity. Just push, twist, and blend. This intuitive design ensures that even first-time users can operate the blender with ease, eliminating any frustration that comes with complicated appliances. Cleaning is just as easy, thanks to the removable blades and dishwasher-safe cups. You can twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher, saving valuable time and effort. The blender also comes with all the essentials: a 600W motor base, an extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book to inspire creative, nutritious drinks. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, and it is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring safety and reliability. For those who want a reliable blender that balances power, convenience, and ease of use, the nutribullet blender for everything is a must-have. Whether you're preparing a morning smoothie, a healthy soup, or even experimenting with unique drink recipes, this blender simplifies every step of the process while ensuring that every blend is delicious and nutritious. Number 2. Ninja blender for everything. The Ninja blender for everything is a powerhouse designed for anyone serious about blending, crushing, and creating nutrient-rich drinks effortlessly. With its 1,000 peak watt motor, it can easily handle the toughest ingredients, from fibrous vegetables to frozen fruits, producing smooth, creamy results in seconds. Its standout feature is the 2 versatile Auto IQ programs, specifically timed for smoothies and crushed ice, which remove the guesswork and deliver consistent results every time. This blender also emphasizes nutrient extraction, unlocking hidden vitamins from whole fruits and vegetables, including portions that are normally discarded. This ensures that every drink provides maximum nutrition, making it perfect for health-conscious users. For frozen drink lovers, its ability to pulverize ice and frozen ingredients is impressive, creating resort-style smoothies, frozen treats, and cocktails with ease. On-the-go convenience is another highlight, thanks to the 24 ounces single-serve cup with spout lid. Users can blend directly into the cup and take their drink anywhere, perfect for busy mornings or post-workout smoothies. Despite its powerful motor, the Ninja blender is compact and fits neatly on any countertop, while the intuitive controls make operation simple and user-friendly. The quick setup allows users to attach the cup and blade assembly and start blending within seconds, saving both time and effort. Number 3. Ninja BL610 blender for everything. The Ninja BL610 blender for everything is built for professional-level performance in a home kitchen. With its powerful 1,000-watt motor, it can easily crush ice and break down even the toughest ingredients, delivering smooth, consistent blends every time. Its XL 72-ounce professional pitcher is ideal for families or entertaining, allowing you to prepare large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, or other recipes without constant refills. Total crushing technology ensures that fruits, vegetables, and ice are pulverized to perfection, producing the ideal texture for any drink. This blender is particularly effective for frozen beverages, quickly turning ice into snow and blending frozen ingredients into creamy, resort-style smoothies. Beyond performance, the BL610 also emphasizes convenience and ease of use. Its BPA-free pitcher and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless, saving time after preparing large meals or drinks. The included recipe guide is another valuable feature, providing inspiration for a variety of healthy and delicious drinks, soups, and sauces. Its intuitive controls make it easy for users of any skill level to operate, whether making a simple smoothie or experimenting with complex drink combinations. The Ninja BL610 combines power, capacity, and ease of use in a sleek and professional design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Number 4. Ninja BL770 blender for everything. The Ninja BL770 blender for everything is designed for those who demand professional-level blending at home. With its powerful 1,500-watt, 2-horsepower motor, it can effortlessly crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and tackle the toughest ingredients for smooth and creamy results. The XL 72-ounce pitcher accommodates large batches, making it perfect for entertaining or family-sized drinks, while the total crushing technology ensures ice and frozen ingredients are pulverized in seconds. This blender is highly versatile, offering 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, so you can choose the perfect setting for any recipe. The included 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids add convenience, allowing for personalized shakes and smoothies on the move. Beyond blending, the BL770 also functions as a food processor, with an 8-cup capacity for chopping, pureeing, and even dough mixing, using its specialized blades. The Ninja blade system, including total crushing blades, pro extractor blades, and a dough blade, ensures every task is handled efficiently and consistently. Cleanup is simple with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts that make post-blending maintenance hassle-free. The combination of high power, versatility, and convenience makes the BL770 suitable for busy households, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to create healthy, delicious drinks effortlessly. Its professional performance, coupled with thoughtful features like on-the-go cups and multiple blade options, ensures that every blend is smooth, perfectly textured, and nutrient-rich. Number 5. Ninja BN751 Blender for Everything. The Ninja BN751 blender for everything is the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone looking to maximize convenience and performance in one appliance. Equipped with a more powerful motor than Ninja's previous models, the BN751 excels at pulverizing ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients into smooth, creamy blends. Its total crushing blades deliver professional results, making it easy to prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, or nutrient-packed juices efficiently. This model offers 3 versatile Auto IQ programs, allowing users to make smoothies, frozen beverages, and nutrient extractions with minimal effort, taking the guesswork out of blending. Auto IQ technology intelligently combines timed pulsing, blending, and pausing, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. The XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher accommodates large batches, ideal for families or entertaining, while 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids make it easy to take nutritious smoothies on the go. Included with the blender is a 15-recipe inspiration guide, offering creative ways to prepare drinks and other healthy creations. Users appreciate its combination of power, convenience, and ease of use, as the BN751 handles everything from icy cocktails to creamy soups, frozen treats, and vegetable extractions seamlessly. Its sturdy, well-designed components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleanup after use. The Ninja BN751 blender for everything stands out as a versatile, high-performance appliance for busy households, health enthusiasts, or anyone looking to prepare large quantities of blended drinks efficiently. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.